In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we will show you how your Stinger reacts when encountering a laser speed trap. This video is for Stinger users with a View interface. Your Stinger can offer superior protection against traditional and advanced laser guns, and even against side laser speed traps. You are driving and focused on the road, when up ahead an officer is shooting his laser gun at your car to determine your speed. Your Stinger picks up the speed trap's laser beam as soon as it hits your car, and instantly alerts you with a clear visual and a distinctive audio warning. If you are driving where LaserShield is allowed, then the LaserShield will be up for a preset amount of seconds, during which your car will be protected by an invisible shield of light. Press Mute to mute your Stinger and turn off the laser protection early. The laser sensors of your Stinger are so advanced they can even detect lasers shot at a car in front of you. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you're optimally protected against different kinds of laser speed traps. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.